welcome to our YouTube channel. Today in this video I will be teaching you how to fix multi-touch issue in iPhone. So if you are experiencing problems with touch responsiveness while playing PUBG Mobile, such as touches does not register or erratic behavior, will walk you through the steps to troubleshoot and resolve these issues. Without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Here, the first step that I want you to take is open your settings. Scroll down and tap on accessibility. Here, select touch and then go for haptic touch. After this, make sure that your touch duration is set on fast if it's set on default. Now, the second solution that I want you to try if this does not work is to update your PUBG. Make sure that you are on the latest version of your PUBG and restart your phone. That's it, you have it. By following these steps, you will be able to fix multi-touch issues in PUBG Mobile on your iPhone. Happy gaming!